And let's go ahead and see what we got over here. I've got a set of tools. Let's just look at the tools. Okay. Now, some people, a lot of users ask, you know, what's the difference between a forward and a backward tool? If you look at in the graph here, if you look at the XY axis, the X being in this way, the Y being this way, okay, and the tip of your tool is at Z0, okay. So what you got here is you got a tool that's facing forward, meaning that, okay, your chuck's over here and your work zero is over here on the right side, and the tool is pointing forward, okay, and it's also on the outside diameter, okay. So if you did backward, it would change directions. So you might need to use backward, and I got a couple of those: OD forward, OD backward. So we're going to use those for different parts of the cutting. So there's the ID back. There's our diamond insert. We're using a thread tool, a single point thread tool for threading. So let's see what else we got up here. We have a groove tool, which is an eighth of an inch groove tool. So we're going to use that for the O-ring groove. There's our single point thread. And I think that's all we got. We got a part off tool, okay, to use for removing the part. Also, we have 3 drills. We're going to be drilling as much as we can, only because you want to limit the amount of work you need to do with an insert and a tool holder to try to get inside that part. So we did most of the roughing, if not all of the roughing, with drill operations and just a finishing on the inside.